Good morning to everyone. Now today we will going to start exercise 13.1. Okay. Now let's read the question so that we can understand what we need to find. A plastic box which is 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made, and it is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic box or the plastic sheet, determine first part, that is the area of the sheet required for making the box. Second part, the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. So question is clear. One plastic box is there which is 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. We need to find, it is said that it is open at the top. So first of all we will write given, what is there, solution. It is open at the top, so two cases are there. Either we can use by total surface area, that is including all six faces, and minus it that the top one, or we can use all four faces, that is four walls, and include the base one. Two ways there to find the solution of this question. Let's see first one. Here length is given 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter, and the height is 65 centimeter. So convert centimeter into meter, it will become 0.65 meter. Now it is open from the top. Now if it is open from the top, therefore its surface area can be identified by using the formula lateral surface area, means all four wall plus the base area. And lateral surface area can be obtained 2 times L plus B into H plus L into B. Now substitute all those values. So 2 times 1.5 plus 1.25 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25. After that, after calculating, we are getting 2 into 2.75 into 0.65 into 1.875. And after calculation, we are getting 3.575 meter square plus 1.875 meter square, and on adding we are getting 5.45 meter square. So this is the first part. So area of sheet required to make a box which is open from the top is 5.45 meter square. Now the second part, we need to find the cost, and it is clearly given cost of 1 meter square is rupees 20. Therefore the cost of sheet for 5.45 meter square is rupees 20 into 5.45, which is equal to rupees 109. In this way we will do the calculation of this question. I hope this solution of this question is clear. Hence the cost of the required sheet is rupees 100. Now next question, let's read this question. In this question it is said that the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. We need to find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room, means all four walls, again the previous question that we did, and the ceiling one. Now here we will include ceiling one at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter square. So let's begin the solution. Write down length, breadth and height. Length is 5, breadth is 4 and height is 3 meter. These are given in the question. Now we need to include the four walls and the bottom, ceiling. So two ways there. One way by total surface area minus the bottom, or the lateral surface area, four wall plus the ceiling one. Okay, the room is look like a cuboid whose four walls lateral surface and the ceiling to be whitewashed. So area of for whitewashing is equal to lateral surface area plus area of ceiling. So lateral surface area 2 times L plus B into H plus L into B. Now substitute all those values. 2 times 5 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 4, that is 54 plus 20, that is 74 meters square. We need to find the cost. So cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 7.5 for 1 meter square is equal to rupees For 74 meter square, it will be 74 into 7.5. That is rupees 555. So the required cost of whitewashing is rupees 555. Okay. Now you can see the next question that we will going to solve. Let's see the floor of a rectangular hall. One floor is there of a rectangular hall whose perimeter is given 250 meter. If the cost of painting 4 walls at the rate of the 4 wall at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Find the height of the wall. The question is clear. Floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 and the cost of painting 4 wall at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Total cost is already given. So a rectangular hall means a cuboid. Let the length and breadth of hall be L and V respectively. Of course, because it is not given. Now perimeter is given 250 meters, so perimeter of floor is equal to 2 times L plus B. Now 2 times L plus B is equal to 250. Now it is also said that area of 4 walls, that is lateral surface area, which is equal to 2 times L plus B into H, where H is the height. Now substitute all those values. So 250 into H, that is meter square. After that, total cost of painting is given how much? Rupees 15,000, and this can be obtained by using per meter square is 10, so 10 into 250 H, so 2500 H, and this 2500 H is equal to 15,000 because it is the total cost. So H is equal to 6. In this way we will find the height of the hall. So we can say, we can write the answer. Thus the required height of the hall is 6 meter. Now you can see next question that I have taken, question number 4. In this question it is said that the paint in a certain container, one container is there and paint is there in that container, is sufficient to paint an area which is equal to 9.375 meter square. How many brick of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Means we have to find number of bricks here. Total area that can be painted from the container is 9.375 and we need to paint a brick. So write down the dimensions. Total area that can be painted is equal to 9.375 meters square. Now here length of a brick is 22.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and then height, that is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now since a brick is like a cuboid, then the total surface area of a brick is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Now substitute all those values. 2 plus 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. After this we are getting 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. On adding we are getting 468.75 into 2. So we are getting 937.5 centimeters square, and we need to find number of bricks. So we will assume, let the number of bricks be n. N we have assumed. So total surface area of n brick is equal to n into 937.5 centimeters square, which is equal to n into, now convert centimeter square into meter square, we will divide by 10,000. So we are getting 9.375 meter square into n. Okay. Now this total area will be equal to 9.375 meter square, because it is given total area that can be painted. So n is equal to 100 on doing the solution. In this way we can find the total brick that can be painted 100. Now you can see next question that I have taken, a small indoor greenhouse herbarium. One small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of a glass plane, means it is made up of glass, okay, including the base also, held together with a tape. This glass pane is tied with the help of tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter broad or wide, 25 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass? How much of the tape required or needed for all 12 edges, means how much tape required to cover all those 12 edges. Here it is including base also. So first of all we will write, or we can see, the herbarium is look like cuboid. Here the length is given 30 centimeter, breadth is 25 centimeter, and height is 25 centimeter again. Surface area we will going to calculate of the herbarium glass is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus HL, because it is surface area, so we will talk about total surface area. Okay, now substitute all those values, 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. So on calculation we are getting 2 times 750 plus 625 plus 750. On adding we are getting 2 into 2125 centimeter square, that is 4250 centimeter square. This is the area of the glass, or we can say thus the required area of the glass is 4250 centimeter square. Now the second part, total area of tape needed to cover all those 12 edges. So edges will be length, breadth, height, and 12 edges means 4 length plus 4 breadth plus 4 height. So 4 times L plus B plus H. Now substitute all those values, 4 plus 30 plus 25 plus 25. So getting 4 into 80, that is 320 centimeter. In this way we will going to solve this question. I hope till this it is clear. Okay, rest we will discuss in the next class. So in last we will mention the answer also, that is the required length of the tape is 320 centimeter. That's all. Thank you everyone.